Can you see yourself in the 2021 Volkswagen Jetta? This stylish Jetta offers an impressive suite of amenities, spirited performance, and the safety features you need to feel confident on every journey. It's loaded with common sense, yet makes you feel sensational. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, keyless start, heated mirrors, Bluetooth connection, blind spot monitor, multi-zone AC, power driver seat. This Jetta offers the perfect blend of fun and practicality. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.